Okay, so shall we see a quick recap on concepts of what we learnt yesterday? Yes. So what did we learn yesterday? We learnt two characteristics of living and non-living thing. Living things grow. Yes, all living things will grow. For example, from baby to adults, we human beings will grow from baby to adults. A small seed to a big plant. And when we take animals, it will also grow from young one to the big. For example, cub to lion. On the other hand, non-living things do not grow. Next one is living thing move. Yes, human beings, animals and birds will move from one place to another place. Plants, when you take plants, plants will not move, but parts of plants will move in presence of air. Now we are going to see the next interesting characteristic of living thing. That is living thing feel. When it is very hot, what we will do? We will quickly run, we will switch on the fans. If you have AC in your home, you will switch on the AC. So why are we doing it? It's because we have a special characteristic called feel. So now tell me, which sense organ helps you to feel? Yes. So our skin helps us to feel things around us. Good. So when you take animals, animals also use their sense organs to feel all the changes around them. Like us also, animals do have sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So with this help, they will feel the changes around them. You have an interesting topic today. It's called insects. So how do insects feel? So insects will feel with the help of antennae. Can you see a thread-like thing? This is called as antennae. I want you to tell the spelling of antennae. A-N-T-E-N-N-A-E. Antennae. Can we repeat it once? A-N-T-E-N-N-A-E. Antennae. So what is antennae? It is a small thread-like projection from insects. So this part will help the insects to feel the changes around them. Okay? And do you think plants also will feel the changes around them? Of course, even plants are living things. They will also feel the changes around them. I am going to tell you an interesting fact There is a plant called Touch Me Not. The plant name is Touch Me Not. This plant will close all their leaves when we touch it. You want to see how it's happening? Here, let's go and see. Do you like it? See how the leaves are closing when we touch the leaf. And this plant is called as Touch Me Not plant. It's very interesting to see, right? I'm going to tell another interesting facts for you. You know how butterfly will taste? Butterflies will taste with the help of feet. Can you see here? This is the feet, and only with the help of this feet the butterflies will taste. How do fishes taste? Fishes will taste using their scales. Can you see this? This is called as scales. This will help the fishes to taste. Now we are going to see the next characteristic of living thing. Living things reproduce. So what is reproduce? Reproduce is nothing but giving birth to young ones. See, when we take human beings will give birth to babies. Have you all seen babies, right? Animals give birth to young ones, the small ones, like this. Horse, young one is fowl. See, can you see? Kangaroo's young one here. Kangaroo will carry their young ones in their pouch. Birds will lay eggs. So when the eggs gets hatched, young ones will come from inside the egg. Plants can also reproduce. From plants, can you see the plant here? Yes. From plants, the seeds will help the new plant to grow. Children, can we do a quick recap of today's session? Yes. So what did we see till now? The characteristic of living thing and non-living thing. So when we take living thing will breathe, need food, it will grow, it will move, it can feel, and it can reproduce. So when we come to non-living things, they do not breathe, they don't need food, they do not grow, they do not move, they do not feel, and they do not reproduce. Children, can we all repeat the word wall words? Yes. So what is the first one? L-I-V-I-N-G, living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Non-living things, N-O-N, non. L-I-V-I-N-G, living things. 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 Breathe. 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 Gills. Gills. Spiracles. 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 Stomata. 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 Photosynthesis. 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 Potted plant. Potted. Potted plant. 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 Antennae. 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 Touch me not. Touch. Touch. Me. Me. Not. 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 Reproduce. 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 Birth. 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 Children, till now we have seen 6 characteristics of living things. We are yet to learn 1 characteristic of living thing. So tomorrow we will be learning